Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a text box transparency using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and I'll make this text box transparent. Click on this comment option and this right sidebar, click on this arrow and this selection option, select annotation. Now click on this text box and select. And this right sidebar, here you will find this text box transparency. You can make it 0. First I'll make this text box text color. I'll make it black. Now click on this text box and this is transparency. You can make it transparent or and see this fully. You can make this text transparent and also click this mouse cursor right button and say properties and this is text box transparency and see this. Another way you can make this only text box transparent. So you will click this color option white and this fill color option. Simply select white and see this. In this way you can change text box text transparency and opacity. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.